Hello great people, how are you? In this video, I will show you how you can file your KRA returns using the KRA mobile application called KRA service. So right now on my screen, I am on the KRA website, which is the KRA mobile services. It's just a website, it shows you the overview of what you need to expect in the mobile applications. So as you can see, as I scroll down, you can see that it gives us some overview of what you can expect. So you can download it in the Google Play Store, or if you are using iOS, just download it using the App Store and you are good to go. So I will not waste much time on this website. I just want to show you the process and let's get started. Dear ladies and gentlemen, if you are using an Android phone like me, just open your Google Play Store and search for KRA service, and then KRA will pop up as the first option. Install the application and just click open. And congratulations, now you are using KRA mobile application called service. Now let me get you through the procedure. So since this is the first time you are using this application, you need to click on sign up. So click on sign up. So after clicking sign up, it will ask you to enter your ID or your PIN. So for this case, you need to enter your KRA PIN. So for me, I will not register because I'm already registered, and for your case, after entering your KRA PIN, the next step it will ask you is to create a strong password, and then it will ask you to confirm your strong password. The next thing it will ask you to do is provide your correct mobile number. So provide your correct mobile number, and the last thing you have to do is just complete the process by clicking on sign up. And the good news is that upon successful registration process, KRA will send you a text message to the correct mobile number you provided as follows. So this is the text message you will get. Welcome to KRA service. So that shows that you are now successfully registered to KRA services using mobile applications. Now it's now time for us to proceed and log in to the system. So provide your PIN and then the password. So let me do it. Lastly, you just need to click on login. And once more, I want to tell you congratulations for reaching this point. As you can see on your screen, you can see that this application has a lot of functionalities. So let me just highlight them and you'll see. So we have a tab for filing our KRA returns, return tax returns. We have another tab for payment, which is pay declared taxes. We have another tab for learning. So if you want a quick information, then just click on learn. And then if you want to see your KRA station, it's here. Certificates, if you want to apply for certificates, here. And of course custom services is here. So basically it's a nice application to have. It's a very nice application indeed. And on the side written home, just if you click on the three, this one, on these 3 lines, you will find some quick information about your registration details. And the first thing you will see is your KRA PIN, and of course some information. If you want to change your password change, you can request right here. And alright, and I will just show you a quick demonstration of how you can file your KRA returns. Just click on tax returns right here. Click on tax returns. So from here you need to select which return you need to return. It's nil. Is it nil? Is it monthly rental income? Is it income tax return? Is it turn off? So you click according to your preferences. And in case you are unemployed, especially this applies to students in campus or anywhere, you just need to click nil return and then select application. Of course it is individual income tax and it is resident ITR. Let me just highlight it for you. This one, individual income tax resident ITR. Click on that. So if you have a different application, just select from these options and you proceed, and then you select the year. So for this case we are in the year of 2022 and the month is May, so we need to select the application for the previous year, which is 2021. So enter 2021 year. So proceed and then proceed. Now the process now will file your nil return successfully. So for me it will not, because I've already filed my KRA returns earlier, and just complete your filing your returns and you are good to go. And then now let's proceed to the next step. Lastly, dear ladies and gentlemen, of course I want to tell you that we are here because we want to solve our own issues as Kenyans. And I am here to tell you that if you are not yet our member, ensure that you follow us on our social media channels, including Facebook, routing. Also follow us on our YouTube channel. Ensure you subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, you are my loyal people, and let me see you in the next video, and we will have more to say.